To get the full set of Windfinder tools, we highly recommend Windfinder Plus. Windfinder Plus is the upgraded Windfinder service. By subscribing to Plus, you get access to the full set of Windfinder features and all upcoming features. To see the benefits of Windfinder Plus, tap on More in the bottom menu bar, and then on Upgrade. Now tap on Upgrade to Windfinder Plus. Here is a list of some Windfinder Plus benefits. Create wind alerts for your spot to never miss your best conditions or to get warned about too strong winds. Get rid of all ads. Get access to our super forecast on an hourly base with different weather models and a higher resolution. See live wind measurements of weather stations directly on the map. Get all parameters like wind gusts, precipitation, and temperature in your map mode. See the wind strength in wind barbs if you like. Get all webcams in the radius of 25 kilometers around your spot directly in your app. And see the next 10 days forecast at a glance in the wind preview. All these features are highly useful for a complete understanding of the wind and weather forecast. There will be more features coming over time, so stay keen and watch out for news. And please, let us know what you are missing. Just write our support. If you are keen to try it, choose your preferred subscription. You can choose between monthly or yearly. With both options, you get a free 7-day trial to test all Windfinder Plus features. In our example, we chose the yearly subscription. Tip: if you already have the Windfinder Pro app, the subscription is discounted to 99 cents a month or just $4.99 per year. Now let's get it done. If you do not have a Windfinder account yet, please create an account. You need the account to get the wind alerts. That's why it's obligatory. See more details about the account at the info button below the login. You can sign up with email and password, your Google or Apple account. If you already have an account, please log in to your Windfinder account. Also good to know, when using your account, your favorite spots and settings will be saved and synchronized between your app and your Windfinder website. Tap on Confirm Purchase. Now follow the standard purchase flow from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Please be aware that the Plus subscription is bound to the App Store or Play Store account you use to purchase Windfinder Plus. Congratulations! You've just subscribed to Windfinder Plus. All features are instantly available. We hope you like the Plus features and they will make your life and plannings of your activities easier. One thing on our own behalf. With your subscription, you support the Windfinder team that works full-time for the best of Windfinder, developing new features, improving the forecast quality, and innovating a modern and easy-to-use interface. In addition, around 20% of each yearly subscription is donated to a good environmental cause. Sustainable work and business is one of our key directives. See more about this topic on our blog. Thank you for subscribing. You can enjoy the full Windfinder experience now, and you are helping us to improve this service to get it better and better. If you're interested, see more of our how-to videos about your just unlocked Plus features.